What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix dictation not working on iPhone or iPad. Firstly, try to connect into Wi-Fi or cellular. Dictation works offline on iPhone 6s and later, but not all languages support offline dictation, so for best results connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, especially after setting up a new iPhone, erasing or resetting your device, or adding a new dictation language. Some languages require downloading support files first. Secondly, try toggling airplane mode because that's a quick network reset and it will often fix temporary issues. Just open settings, turn on airplane mode and wait for 15 seconds and turn it off. Then try dictation again. If dictation isn't working yet, just force close the app that's using it. Just swipe up, close the app completely, reopen it and tap the microphone key on the keyboard. And finally, if nothing else works, let's try disabling and re-enabling dictation. Open your settings on your iPhone, then go to General, then Keyboard. Turn off Enable Dictation and confirm by tapping Turn off Dictation. Restart your device, go back to Turn, Enable Dictation back on, and now test dictation in Notes or Messages. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.